Talo for everybody. My name is Robert Fruin and this is my lovely family, Gemma and Farah. And with this week being Samoan Language Week, we thought it would be a great opportunity to start a YouTube channel that was dedicated to bringing you guys kids songs and nursery rhymes in the Samoan language. These are the songs and rhymes that I grew up with and learned in preschool and want to pass on to my family and anyone else out there wanting to learn the beautiful language of Samoa. So with this first song, it's going to be the alphabet, and yeah, hopefully do it right, and we'll see how it goes. So there you have it. The lyrics are on the bottom as well as how you pronounce them. So hopefully you guys are able to understand them, and thank you for watching. Manuia.